Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make rice soft and fluffy. First, always rinse your rice under cold water until it runs clear. This removes extra starch for a lighter texture. Next, ensure you use the right water-to-rice ratio, typically 2 parts water to 1 part rice for white varieties. Bring your measured water to a rolling boil in a pot before adding the prepared rice. Once the rice is added, immediately reduce the heat to its lowest setting and cover the pot with a tight-fitting lid. Let the rice simmer gently for approximately 18 minutes without interruption. It is crucial not to lift the lid during this time, as the steam trapped inside is essential for even cooking and achieving that perfect fluffy texture. After the 18 minutes of simmering, remove the pot from the heat source. Keep the lid firmly in place and allow the rice to rest for an additional 10 minutes. This resting period allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring every grain is perfectly cooked and separate. Finally, gently fluff the rice with a fork before serving to achieve maximum airiness. To consistently achieve soft, fluffy rice, avoid common mistakes. Never stir the rice while it is cooking, as this releases starch and can make it gummy. Also, be mindful of cooking times. Overcooking dries it out, while undercooking leaves it hard. Using a heavy-bottomed pot helps distribute heat evenly, preventing burning and ensuring a consistent cook every time.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.